Ministry ya githomo igitongorio ni Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed ni macereire thukuru itiganite cia muthingi guku Nairobi hari kunyabara mehaririria ma muthi ya kigeranio gia KCPE gikambiriria muthenya wa rucio guothe bururi-ini thiini wa county 47. Arutwo aya rucio mageka kigeranio kia mathabu, githungu na composition, naguo muthi wa Jumatano meke science, githweri na insha, naguo muthenya wa mwisho aramithi meke social studies na kigeranio kia dini. Guko nakuo thukuru iria iri na ciana iri na mawathe ta Joy Town mwena wa Thika ikiongererwo kahinda ka ndagika 30 toria mutongoria wa bururi eranire. Mehaririria mothe nimariku megie igeranio kuri ugitiri ugacirithio niguo gutigirira kigeranio giki gitigakorwo na wici oro wothe guku aria makanyitikana magiteithiriria kana gukuruhanio na wici wa igeranio magakorwo magitacokirio makinya macacu ma kiwatho ino iri njira ya kuhukia wici wa igeranio kaimana guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na Amina, thukuru iria cereire mehaririria mothe nimariku oro udumwe na thukuru ingi itiganite iria tucereire mwena wa Naikuru, Nyeri na Kiambu, ona cia Arutwo ni mehariririe gwika kigeranio oro udumwe guothe bururi-ini.
Tell them that we're wishing them well and that we're all going through the same, kind of stress that they're going through, to just make sure that everything is in place. And then to encourage them and tell them that the government has a 100% transition policy and that all the students that are sitting the exams today, tomorrow and the day after, all of them will transition from standard 8 to form 1. Arrangements have been made, everything is in place for that.
Nake murutani munene thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Olympic Caleb Ochieng mwena wa Kibera ni ataririe namba ya arutwo aria mari nao kwona thukuru uyu uri na arutwo angi kuma na nja.
My center I have 626 candidates. Though I'm having other 3 centers, those other 3 centers have about 102. We have been hosting other schools before. We host even secondary schools. So when we shall be through with the KCPE, we shall have secondary schools coming in.
Amina ugite arutwo othe aria mageka kigeranio ni makona kanya ga kuingira kirathi gia form 1 mwaka ukite. Na riu hatiri undu tanganja kwona kigeranio gia KCPE gikambiriria muthenya wa rucio. Arutwo ya kirathi gia 8 riu ni mathaa maratara niguo makorwo makiambiriria kigeranio kiao gia KCPE muthenya wa rucio othe magitanya gwika wega. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro kuma thukuru wa muthingi wa Olympic guku Kibera ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.